Same thing that person is doing. That person is also blaming me because of me, because of me, because of me.
Yes.
It's a catch-22 situation. तो उसको solve कैसे करेंगे? तो आप अगर सामने वाले को बदलना चाहते हैं या वो बदले इसकी राह देख रहे हैं तो वो इम्पॉसिबल चीज है,
Impossible है.
बिकॉज वो सामने वाला आपको बदलने की राह देख रहा है.
बिल्कुल. Absolutely. That is the tussle. Yeah.
इम्पॉसिबल है, तो क्या करना चाहिए? तो बदलेगा कौन? Tell me.
हम खुद को बदल सकते हैं. That's all we can do.
Exactly. अभी हम इतनी उम्र हो गई, हम खुद को भी बदलना हमको इतना प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. नहीं नहीं, ये तो मेरी आदत है, मेरा ये फलाना है, मैं कॉफी पीती हूँ दोपहर को तो मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आती, ऐसा करती. तो खुद की आदतें बदलने के लिए इतना मुश्किल है अपने को, तो आप दूसरे की आदत बदलना चाहते हैं, आप दूसरे का नेचर बदलना चाहते हैं, कैसे पॉसिबल है? The only answer to it is you change. I've read somewhere that when you change, the things you see change.
Right.
The things you look at change. So, badlo.
Because your perception changes.
Yes, when you change, it's a dramatic thing. How it happened. The minute you change, फट सामने की चीजें बदलने शुरू होती है. This is I've learned. I've seen this with Meditate with me. मेरा जो है, बहुत सारे लोग they keep sharing this with me, you know, all the time. That my father was not talking to me for almost a year. After this session, ma'am, after a year, I spoke to my father. I said, wow. So ये कैसे हुआ? Because वो बदल गई.
But यहाँ पे स्मिता जी एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरा इसी में. कभी कभी तो हम चेंज होते हैं तो सामने हमको चेंज नजर आने लग जाता है. But there are certain times when nothing happens. Things remain the same. Are those that toxic relationships which are supposed to kind of, you know, I mean, how do we identify then कि कौन से रिलेशनशिप में हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं और किसको हमको एंड कर देना चाहिए?
नहीं, leave certain things to the divine to answer. You change. And toxic relationships, again, you're being judgmental, no, about the other person. So being judgmental is not a spiritual quality at all. How much have you changed? That person also must be thinking you're in a toxic relationship with your wife or your spouse or whatever, your whoever. तो हम जज करें ना, पहले अपने आप को बदलो तो सही, फिर देखो सामने क्या होता है. And there is certain things which you leave to the divine. अगर चीजें नहीं होनी है तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके स्पेस से निकल जाएगी.
Right.
जैसे मेरे साथ when I started with this, there were so many unwanted people in my life. वो अपने आप दूर चले गए without me telling, talking, fighting, nothing.
Absolutely. Wow.
They automatically moved away.
Right.
And जो correct थे लोग वो साथ मेरे चले.
Right.
So leave certain decisions to it. No, पहले change तो करो अपने आप को, फिर ये आगे के questions आएंगे.
Correct. So first changing yourself and then surrendering to basically the divine, and automatically things will happen.
Yes.
You don't even need to worry about, you know, taking decisions and the judgments and everything.
Exactly. Surrender तो छोड़ो, बहुत दूर की बात है. पहले अपने आप को बदलने की कोशिश तो करो. पहले take a step, one step at a time. Take baby steps, but take sincere steps.
Correct. Nice. So just, you know, last few things, Smita ji, people keep saying कि, you know, मैं नहीं कर सकता, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, एंड you know, मैं कहाँ से लेके आऊँ, कैसे मैं अपनी लाइफ बदलूँ, पैसे नहीं हैं, सब चीज के लिए पैसे लगते हैं. तो what do you have to say to people who do not know how to be resourceful and actually invest time, effort and money on themselves? Because most of the population is like that.
See, as I said earlier, you have to invest in spirituality. Okay, money is a big issue. Okay, everybody expects spirituality to come free to you. Hello, you're frozen. People expect spirituality to come free to you, and I am totally against this. हर बाकी चीजों के लिए आपके पास पैसे होते हैं, स्पिरिचुअलिटी आपको फ्री में चाहिए. और जिस चीज के लिए आप पैसे नहीं निकालते उसकी आपको कीमत नहीं होती.
सही बात है.
ओके, ना गोल्ड जिसके लिए आप इतना पैसा खर्चा करते हैं, हम गोल्ड को कैसे प्रिजर्व करते हैं? तिजोरी में रखते हैं. सेफ में रखते हैं, करेक्ट? सेम लुकिंग पितल, उसको तिजोरी में रखते हैं क्या? आफ्टर पॉलिशिंग यू कांट सी टेल द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पितल एंड गोल्ड.
नहीं रखते हैं, करेक्ट.
नहीं रखते ना. क्यों? हमने गोल्ड के लिए इतने पैसे खर्च किए हैं, इसके लिए हमको इसकी वैल्यू है.
राइट.
Spirituality should be the most expensive thing because otherwise you will not value it.
Right.
Something which you need to value which goes over lifetimes. ये लाइफ के लिए नहीं है. तो आपको इसमें कितना अपना टाइम एंड मनी इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, आप ही सोच लीजिए. It's up to you.
And again the same thing, कि when you really want something, you will become resourceful.
Absolutely.
You will become resourceful.
Absolutely. You will get money. You will get. एक चीज ऊपर वाले से बोलना है कि मुझे इस पथ पे चलना है. You make arrangements. Arrangements are made. They happen somehow. Because the divinity wants us to change. Divinity wants us to be transformed.
It wants us to grow and evolve into a.
Exactly, because the whole nature, whole earth, we saw what happened in the COVID period.
Yes, absolutely.
So we have only done all this, no, because of our nature, because of the way we are. So the planet also demanded a shift.
Yes.
सब कुछ बंद हो गया तो planet was very happy.
Was very happy. True. Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, relief. What a sigh of relief it took.
So the planet doesn't need us. Mother Nature doesn't need us. We need them.
We need Mother Nature. Yes. No
so
doubt
if
about
we
it.
need them, उसको जपना अपना काम है कि नहीं है? So if human beings on the planet evolve, automatically the planet also evolves along with it. We are living on the planet. We're eating out of the planet. जो सब्जियां फल जो भी हम खाते हैं वो planet के से ही उगा है ना? So it goes hand in hand. अगर हम बदलेंगे तो automatically the planet evolves. When the planet evolves, we also evolve. ये बात किसी को समझ में नहीं आई. हमने planet का नुकसान ही किया. Finally, she had to give up. What to do?
Yes.
तो ये transformation. हाँ, तो अगर आपको इसकी, if you understand the value of it, great. If you don't understand the value of it, wait till whichever janma you will realize it.
Right. You will be, I mean, I think the universe will keep sending, lessons to you till you learn.
Exactly. So I feel spirituality must be the most expensive thing on this planet.
I totally agree.
तो ही इसकी वैल्यू रखेंगे आप लोग, नहीं तो नहीं रखेंगे, नहीं तो इसकी वैल्यू ही नहीं है.
Right.
Attention अगर नहीं जाएगा तो अभी ना iPhone. When iPhone was launched, people were so crazy of possessing an iPhone.
Yes.
They didn't have the money. They did EMI का ये किया उन्होंने, कुछ करके, लेकिन मेरे पास iPhone है.
iPhone होना चाहिए. Yes.
iPhone जैसी चीज.
Right.
Now it's okay if you have another Android or another smartphone, right?
Right.
But वो iPhone was such a status value and such a symbol of prestige and whatever. कुछ भी करके हर बंदे के हाथ में iPhone होता था. I've seen absolutely like poor people also having an iPhone in their hand. So they manage, no?
Yeah.
तो अगर वो चीज अगर कुछ चाहिए आपको तो आप उसके लिए बंदोबस्त करेंगे. अगर नहीं चाहिए तो excuses plenty है.
Excuses are plenty. True. Absolutely.
So be it. I mean, so be it. It's your life.
Yeah. एक लास्ट चीज, बहुत ही वंडरफुल चल रही है डिस्कशन. I mean, I don't want to actually let it finish ever, but then we do have a time which we need to look at. But last thing, Smita ji, which is again, the question most of us ask: how can we manifest abundance into our life, किस तरह से हम abundance को अपनी लाइफ में सबसे सिंपल तरीके से मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं, ला सकते हैं. क्योंकि we read a lot of books, अगर बुक्स की बात किया जाए तो we read books, but can just reading those books, do you think कि we can actually हम उसको जीवन में उतार सकते हैं और हम उसको मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं? What do you have to say? How can we manifest it the most easier way?
See, as I told you in the beginning about the chakras when we were discussing, our chakras and the planet chakras are not aligned, so we can't manifest what we want. That is one way. Secondly, manifest matlab abundance matlab people are generally wanting to have more money in their lives. Okay, it is usually the money factor which is there, which is fair. I have got a video on this how to use salt therapy का एक video है मेरा. How do you so that is another very simple way of doing it. Try it out. It is there on my YouTube. So, guys, whoever is watching, please subscribe to the YouTube video channel.
Yes, please, guys. And the link will be there in the description. So you will get the channel. I mean, the name of the channel is anyhow Smita Jayakar. So you will be able to find it.
Yeah. So go ahead. And abundance again, I feel, is a big shift inside you. There has to be a big shift inside you, and you will automatically. The divine is ready to give it to you. Divine अपने पास रख के divine को क्या मिलने वाला है? It's ready to give it to you. एक तो you have to be a very good receiver. हम लोगों की एक mentality ऐसे है कि मुझे उसमें क्या मिल रहा है, मैं क्या दे रही हूँ, इसके ऊपर किसका ध्यान नहीं है.
Exactly. What am I giving? हाँ, चाहिए तो सबको, लेकिन हम उसके बदले में क्या दे रहे हैं?
बदला भी नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा बदला भी नहीं, लेकिन हम दे क्या रहे किसी को. एक a smile also is so difficult for people to do.
So difficult. True. What you're saying is so true.
चाहिए आपको सब कुछ देने के लिए, एक स्माइल भी नहीं दे सकते आप. जादू की झप्पी दे दो, किसी के लिए प्रेयर करो, कुछ तो करो. चाहिए मुझे सब कुछ, I want और receive, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? The planet, the reality of this planet is give and take. जो दोगे वो मिलेगा, जैसे दोगे जितना मिलेगा. You know, it has to be on.
Your phone's mobile data is turned off, so I can't help you with.
So that is not fair.
जैसे आपने इंटेंशंस के बारे में बोला था, इट्स द सेम थिंग कि बेसिकली क्या इंटेंशंस हम पुट आउट कर रहे हैं अपने अंदर से, हम क्या दे रहे हैं किसी के लिए हम क्या चाह रहे हैं. अपने लिए तो सब अच्छा ही चाहते हैं, लेकिन दूसरों के लिए भी हम क्या चाह रहे हैं.
दूसरों की थोड़ी जो if somebody is progressing or somebody is doing well in life, बाहर से तो आप बोलेंगे oh so nice, अंदर से दिल जलता है. So what are you giving? You're not even giving an honest opinion.
Yes.
You're not even giving an honest feeling. So what are you giving? See what you're giving. I'm not talking in terms of money and materialistic things. अंदर की भावनाएं क्या हैं?
भावनाएं क्या हैं?
सब कुछ चाहिए मुझे, बस सब चाहिए. How is that possible?
Right.
I don't understand the mentality of people, and this is where spirituality comes in. You know, certain basics हमको understand करना बहुत जरूरी है यार. कब समझेंगे, कब इस बात तक पहुंचेंगे लोग, कब होगा? मैं हमेशा दादाश्री के साथ बात करती रहती हूँ. मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कैसे होगा. So he keeps saying you do your work, no, the rest is my work. Right. Wow.
And so relaxed you feel when your master says कि बाकी मेरा टेंशन है, तुम टेंशन मत लो, तुम अपना काम करो.
Exactly.
That's where your surrender comes. हाँ.
बहुत बार सोचती हूँ मैं कितने प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाके वही बोलती रहती हूँ, वही करती रहती हूँ. मैंने अपना चैनल खोला, मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया. दादा कब समझेंगे लोग? अपनी तरह से कोशिश करती हूँ. You just do. And then he keeps on saying that goes in your Satkarma bank balance. तो तुमको क्या? You're in a win-win situation. What is your
anyhow? True. You are giving out good intentions, so you have nothing to lose. लोग समझेंगे तो फायदे में रहेंगे, नहीं समझेंगे तो फिर वो जाने.
Then it's their life. Every soul has its journey, so it will go on according to their journey.
Yes.
Great.
Thank you so much, Smita ji. I mean, amazing conversation, and I think people have got loads and loads of wisdom from you, which they can actually apply in their lives and see
Thank
the
you so much.
benefit.
And here I have to thank Kanchan, your sister,
Yes.
for introducing me to you and being on this platform. So it's a big thank you to her also. Kanchan is listening. She was there.
Yes, Kanchan.
Yeah.
Love you, sweetheart, and thank you so much for getting Smita ji over here and all her wisdom. Yeah. So we have loads of comments from different people and everything, and I'll be putting out all your details in the description. So please, whoever wants to get in touch, feel free to get in touch with Smita ji. She's there to help everyone. Only if you want to get help. That's the only thing.
There are plenty others who are ready to help. It's not only everybody can't come to me.
Yeah.
Possibly there are lots of people. कहीं पे तो जाओ, कहीं पे तो आपकी inner journey शुरू करो. मेरा ये कहना है बस.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.